It's a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Big on comfort and convenience, this mighty Avalanche has standard amenities, including a tire pressure monitor, 6-way power driver and passenger seats, stability control, and a premium audio system with satellite radio, MP3 input, and iPod integration. It's a truck, it's a luxury SUV, it's a workhorse, it's the most unique vehicle on the road. It's the versatile and value-packed Chevrolet Avalanche. Take it for a test drive today.
That's Rockenbach Chevrolet. We're conveniently located at 1000 East Belvidere Road in Grayslake, Illinois, between routes 83 and 45.